Hello, everybody. Welcome. Jeff, what's up? Good to see you, Jeff. What's going on? Red, good morning or good evening. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you guys. Let's get this party started, shall we? All right. All right. Let's get this party started. How's everybody doing? Good. All right. Well, it seems like, look at the 758 level. It seems like almost a triple equal low. Technically like a small little Asia low there. About 40 points lower. This is the 5-minute chart. So, right there. Interesting, right? Trader to be, good morning. Good morning. What is going on? It's Friday, you know, guys, it's Friday. Hovering back to the midnight area right now, and we have an Asia high at 844 currently. So that's a good thing. That technically we are right at the middle. Hopefully soon we will know which direction this one will want to go. All right. And yesterday was quite interesting. I thought that on the final touch we're gonna go back above the 900s, but we didn't. We just didn't go there. So that's interesting. Let me check on some other stuff here. Okay, all right. Everything's lined up perfectly. Naomi, good morning. What's up, everybody? Did I say hi to Trader to be? If I didn't, I just gonna say hi again. Not gonna lie, I'm right now suffering from pain. Physical pain, actually. Actual physical pain. Whew. Oh, it hurts so much. I can't even click on my charts normally. Ah. Good morning, Mihails. I smashed my thumb. I smashed my thumb on the. I was. Good morning, Farhad. I was. I took the car out of the garage this morning, and I smashed my thumb on the car door, and my whole nail is bleeded in, and it's black, and it's hurting like crazy. And this is ice. Trying to ice it. Super painful. It's very bad. Super painful. Icing my thumb right now. Okay, seems like we're going lower. Let's see. Let's see. I'm also checking on gold a little bit, if we're gonna make some new highs here, or you know, whatever. We have a swing high at 27.11, almost at 12. That could be a good target if this one wants to go higher. Let's see. Let's see. I have to put a marker right there. 11.7. So what's up with everybody? Hope everybody's doing great. I wonder if this one's gonna sweep some highs before it goes down, but we have almost like triple equal lows down there. Just saying. Just saying. Oh, let me check my connection here. Should be okay. All right. So far, it's just going sideways. Looks like gold is edging higher a little bit. That could be interesting. We might gonna see the 817 and maybe a little bit higher to be taken. So yeah, snowy morning, Marek. Yes. Good morning, least estimator. Yeah, it's a snowy morning. But I think it's gonna melt away real fast. We're gonna have like +8 degrees Celsius soon here. So this should be melting away by, if not today, but until tomorrow. Crazy weather, right? Anyway. What's up, everyone? Oh man, my thumb hurts like crazy. It's so bad. That's why I'm not clicking too much on the chart. Oof. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. All right, what's happening here? I have to ice it. More ice. Yeah, I think we should be breaking higher here, sweeping some levels above 817. If I see some good entry, obviously I'm gonna take it. Obviously. Isham, good morning, Isham. What's up? What's up? Secrets of the Unknown. Good to see you. Good to see you, my man. Well, we might gonna see some liquidity sweep here. Let's keep an eye out. Sorry. I've not been online lately. Oh my god. Isham. I'm sorry to hear that. My condolences. What can I say? I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that, Isham. Can I ask how old was he? Was he suffering? Was it some illness, or was it something sudden that happened? You don't have to answer if you don't want to, but if you want to, I'm really sorry to hear that, man. Oh man, that's terrible. I'm really sorry. I guess times like this, it's good to not to think about it. So do whatever you can, right? Brandy, hello, welcome. Doing good? Well, not so much good because I smashed my thumb. You see how black it is? I smashed my thumb at the car door this morning and it hurts like crazy. I'm icing it right now. 73 years old. Went on operation. It was a success, but the next morning he had a blood. Oh, lungs. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that's bad because, I mean, obviously because you were expecting a recovery. So it was technically a sudden thing. I'm really sorry to hear that, Isham. I'm really sorry about that. Sorry for your loss. It's terrible. Marcella, good morning. Hope everybody have, I wish everybody profitable day, weeks, months, decades, and centuries. Unexpected. Yeah, unexpected, Isham. Oh my god, it's terrible. Terrible, terrible. Forget about my thumb here. It's terrible. We have Isham here. He lost his father. Yeah. Lost his father after a surgery. Man. I'm really sorry, man. That's why I'm not clicking my chart all around, because my thumb is hurting so much. I can feel the pain up in my arms too. It's so severe. Anyway, hope the ice is gonna help something. All right. Anyway, we're just hovering in this area, so we have triple equal lows down here that I like. So that would be interesting. Yeah, rest his soul. Good morning, Alex. Good morning. My God, it hurts so much. I hope I didn't break any bones. I hope I hope there is no break in the bone. Fracture, as I meant to say. It hurts really bad, man. I can't even click on the chart normally. I violated ProfiTrade 40% consistency and now need to make 2K more. Oh yeah, oh Marcella. Well, it's a soft rule, but you know, you still have the account. You just have to trade more. The good news is then that if you continue to trade, it will be a little bit easier with the drawdown, and you know, it will be a little bit better to withdraw some more profits. Obviously there's a cap, but you know, at least you can build away. Asia session is psychotic. Yeah, Zando, it's I saw the movements. Interesting. Yeah, try to take the good side. Yeah, Marcella. I'm also prepared for these situations. So if I would be denied, whether it's ProfiTrade or Apex or whatever, MyFundedFutures, I'm just gonna say, all right, I'm gonna continue to trade with proper risk management or consistency or whatever, and just gonna build up the account. That's what you can do. Crazy fake out after fake out. Yeah. Did you hear what happened to Patrick Whelan? No. What happened to him? I wasn't following his socials lately. What happened? Tell me the gossip. Oh, my thumb. I think this one could go either way. It can just go up, take out Asia high. I don't know what happened to Patrick Whelan. I haven't heard anything. Ugh. Burned some bridges with a few relevant prop firms. The one and only TOMSABO, and he got an email today and a phone call while he was live on stream saying that he can't trade a live funded. Why? Why can't he trade a live funded? The one, I mean, from TOMSABO. So TOMSABO basically kicked him. Yeah, but only with TOMSABO, right? He's making too much money. I don't think he's gonna miss TOMSABO too much. I don't know. Bowser, what's up? Tell us. I don't know what happened. Maybe it was because he was trolling them too much, by the way. That's what I would say. Because I know that Patrick was trolling TOMSABO and Michael Patek for a long time. He was up 30k and let it roll down to negative and then back up again. And they are saying that's improper risk management. But he had bad relation with us. Yeah. Well, I say, you know, I think Patrick Wieland would say like good riddance, right? Good riddance. And he's just gonna move on. Risk department called to slow down. If Patrick wins, they win because he is live. But they used to call their traders, even the live traders, they call the live traders. That's one thing I know from a person who is trading there live. And I know he's not on social, so you guys don't know him, but he also got a call from the trading desk on his mobile. And he's a Hungarian fellow. He's not Tamás. he's not on socials. And he got a call on a very bad day when he was losing almost half of his account. He got a call from the trading desk that they were telling him to size down the positions or else they will terminate his account. But this happened like months ago. This guy told me that he got a call from. So I guess it's not just because of Patrick Wieland, but I guess they just don't want traders on the live account to have this kind of fluctuations, I think. I guess TOMSABO is watching every one of their live traders. That's why they have a risk department, because they might have copy trading functions and stuff like that. But as I just told you guys, this well, it's not a friend of mine, but I know the guy from my country. He also got a call when he was trading live on TOMSABO when he lost half of his money on one trade. He got a call from TOMSABO that, hey man, tone it down, trade with proper risk management, blah blah blah, or else we need to close down your live account. So they called him from Chicago just to tell him that on the phone. So I guess similar situation with Patrick Wieland too. I thought it's because, but you know, the fact that they banned him, so they closed the account completely, that's a little bit strong. Maybe they just needed an excuse. I don't know. An industry legacy prop firm. Do it. It's called shoulder tap. Yeah. Shoulder tap. Yeah. Now they did well. Alpine is still sick. 50-50. That's cool. That's cool. Jay is getting better and better, I think. I think he's killing it. All right, what's happening here? Let's see. I think it wants to break these highs at 817, maybe even go to 821. At least it feels like it, you know. Drama page. Another fake out. I don't know. So far, we're just going sideways. That's why I'm not really engaging into anything here in this area. Just kidding. I'm not trading this pre-market today. Friday option. Oh, options expire. Okay. Yeah. Totally forget. Real prankster. I think nowadays the London session is also like a little bit tricky, right? I mean, it does these nasty moves in London. And by the way, just letting you guys know, I'm expecting a package again. Package delivery because I'm shopping for Christmas. And I bought some stuff online, of course. I'm not going into the shopping malls and shopping centers right now. Because it's like, I think it's like, I don't even want to say. So many people, like tuna fish in a can, or I don't even know. Like so many people in the shopping centers. And I'm technically an introvert person. And I don't really like, I mean, I don't like those many people. I just can't catch a breath, literally. So I order what I can online for Christmas. And so it doesn't make sense that pet agreements is a funded account at top step. Market makers do what they want. Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. Cedric, good morning. Good morning, Cedric. How's it going? I heard it trades through sets groups of accounts, goes long in one and short in the other, and the public sees only the green. I heard this theory as well, but obviously it's easy to do, to take opposite positions on different prop firms and show how successful you are with payouts. Because sooner or later, some of those accounts are going to get the payout, right? Especially if you have multiple accounts, multiple prop firms. I don't know. The contract prop firm provide our mini. Well, they have micro too, Sapham, so you can go with micros as well. Mantra is literally right in the middle of the... Oh, you're in the middle there. Okay. Yeah, gold is going up. Oh, Rip said that. Well, I'm not surprised because they have a beef. Oh. Do you know what they changed in Top Step? I don't know what you're asking, if they changed anything. The only change they did is on Top Step X. No daily loss limit as far as I know. And The micro conversion got better. That's the only thing I know, but it's done since quite a few months now. Live traders cannot trade sim funded. Oh, yeah, true. Live traders cannot trade XFAs. So if you have a live account, right? Am I right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Live traders on TopStep cannot trade on an XFA. Only on live account. Until they have the live account. Right? Is my understanding. Okay. Okay. All right. Interesting moves here. Look at that. It's gonna sweep the that swing high at 821. Yeah, maximum is mini. Yes, Sapham. Yes, exactly, least estimator. Here we go. Good morning, Joma. What's up? What's up? Hey man, you promised me I will win the 35 bucks. What happened? When did they start to pass someone on live? 5K? I don't know what's the number at Top Step. I'm not sure about how many profit you have to make. Everything's cool, John. Yeah. I smashed my thumb at the car door this morning. Look at how black it is. Oh, it hurts like crazy. I can't even click on the charts. It hurts so much I can actually feel the pain in my whole arm, and I'm trying to ice it with an ice battery here. It's so painful. Ugh, it's terrible. I didn't even drink any coffee. Oh. Today, love the stream, by the way. You don't have any delay. Oh, no delay? All right. I try not to have delays because I always go with the, what's that, low latency? Or what I don't know what it's called. I'm loaded. If you reach their secret criteria. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. I was waiting for price to come out of this range. This is the 5-minute chart that you guys see. And the reason I'm not clicking all over the place because it hurts. But so I was waiting for price to get out from this area, which it did right now. But it's pretty slow so far. How early was that? Yeah, I mean, it was like 6 a.m. in the morning for me. And it's still hurting. I hope I don't have a fracture in my bone here or something. But it hurts. Yeah, it sucks. I think it's gonna hurt all day. I just hope it's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna get like big. But I'm icing it, so hopefully it will be okay. Oh, I don't want to go to the emergency room, but they won't do anything with it anyway. They're just gonna say, all right, grow up. That's what they're gonna say. Hungarian hospitals are like, I go in with like this. Oh man, go home. Put some ice on it. Goodbye. That's what they do here. Yeah, I gotta practice with left hand. Not only clicking. The guy has a humor. This is ice. This is an ice battery. It was in the fridge. Oh, it's almost melting now, but it's still very cold. So I'm icing it. I'm gonna have a fresh one. It hurts like crazy. Crazy. All right, we're going up there to 844. Nothing so far, nothing special. And we have relatively equal highs there from the Asia session. And by the way, that's why I named it Asia highs. So I think the Asia highs are at 844. $8.44. Could go, you know. You never know. You never know. I know, Joama, I know. I will survive, guys. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know. I had this kind of injury before in my life. It just sucks, you know, because it hurts for hours and maybe even all day. And that's why it's actually annoying. It's not because I'm not gonna survive. It's just annoying that it hurts. I can't concentrate. So, what am I doing 6 a.m. in the car? I had to take my fiance to her workplace at the school because she works at a school early because it's snowing right now. And she was afraid to drive because it's so much snow on the roads that she was a little bit nervous. And I told her, don't worry, I'm gonna drive you to the school. And so that's what happened. So that's why I was in the car 6 a.m. in the morning. Sent me a mail. Don, I forgot to say hello. Welcome, Don. How you doing? Garage camera captured a couple of weeks ago. Suburb of Dallas. And in 30 years I own my home. First time I've seen something. Come on, man. I'm starting to get scared here. So, oh, I know what this is. I'm gonna be scared, right? What? What the? What is this, Don? Don just sent me this video. What are we seeing here? This guy? What the? There's a guy on the horse. You know, maybe he just wanted to take a ride, you know. That's what he just wanted to take a ride. Okay. Okay, so maybe he teleported from another place or something. That's the only explanation for this. By the way, it looks like a nice neighborhood there. Interesting. Random NPC spawn. Oh, some EU news. We have some EU news, right? Oh, wow. Lots of PMI numbers. All right. Nice little horsey. Yeah. Coupon codes work on Apex static. Yes, Zando. Yes, it works on Apex static. And I'm going to also be I'm gonna have to change. I'm actually not changing anything. I'm just going to try out TickTickTrader 2. And I'm already trading with Tradeify. I'm gonna be trying out the instant funded accounts, is what I meant to say. The platform, everything, dashboard stuff, trading. So because so far I like ProfiTrade too, but I need at least one more to be able to trade with instant funded accounts. And now TickTickTrader is offering instant funded accounts. Tradeify obviously offering direct funded, straight to funded accounts, which is great. So I'm gonna try them too. I registered with them. I mean, with TickTickTrader lately as well. Now that they have instant funded accounts as well. Which one? I might gonna go lower, not the 150, but maybe lower. Yeah, the problem, Bulenox doesn't have TradingView integration. That's the issue. By the way, ProfiTrade said that they are going to have TradingView, or they might even have it already. The CEO said that they're testing it this week, or they're putting it to test or last week. So ProfiTrade is also going to have TradingView very soon. You got an invite to Futures Desk. Nice. The charting on TradingView is unbeatable. But, and I'm saying this, I know you guys love TradingView. I love it too. I think the platform is just super awesome. But I don't think it's good for trading. That is my humble opinion. I don't think that TradingView is good for trading, especially not with market orders, and especially not for those of you guys who like to scalp, because there's always going to be a lag in execution, in market execution. So it's going to be always laggy. If you go with limit orders, or you're a swing trader, or you trade Forex as swing trading, then it's perfect for you, obviously. But as for day trading, especially with market execution, I think it's lagging. That's the issue, I think. When Project X opens its platform up for retail trading, it's going to be amazing. I really want to use it for my own funds without dealing with prop firms. I heard about this Project X. So what the heck is Project X? Because I heard this name from multiple places on social media. I think they're a provider for prop firms, right? So they are basically giving the backend, the tech side for prop firms. You know, the data connection software provider. Okay, yeah. TopStep uses, and they white labeled it. Okay, yeah. So I heard about the Project X. Don't have tick data right now unless we pay premium. Oh. Yeah. Uses it in their new plans. Oh, I see. TopStep X is using Project X. Yeah, so that's why I heard that Project X is basically in business with all of these prop firms. I just hope, and bear me with this, you guys remember what happened in the Forex space, especially with the Dungeons and Dragons prop firm, right? They were having Easton Technologies, or what was this called? Easton Tech or something like that. It turned out to be that Easton Technologies provided the technical backend to like multiple prop firms, like quite a few Forex CFD prop firms. They provided the software and the back office and everything, the data connection. And obviously, when problems came up, all these prop firms, like domino effect, boom, 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 they just went down. So I'm asking this: if this Project X is providing so many backend and data and everything to these futures prop firms, what if there's a problem comes up with Project X? All these prop firms are going to have a domino effect, maybe? Just asking, like, this is just a simple question. So if Project X has an issue, then all these prop firms are going to have an issue, right? I don't know. Just thinking out loud. TopStep. So I think TopStep. Project TradingView is faster than normal TradingView. Oh, okay. I use Alpha Futures prop. They also uses it. It's the same as TopStep. Okay. Very selective with who they work with, so that's great. It's shit when they all switch. You can't copy trade one firm to another, so Rhythmic is more fun. Tomstep may be leasing out Project X to other firms. Maybe. Their own, yeah, with Project X. That's what I'm saying. Everybody is going to have their own servers. Oh, BTC is up there. Did we hit the 100K? Almost, right? I'm gonna put an alert to 100K. All right. I think it's gonna pop it. I put an alert to 100K. I think it should be popping it this morning. There is one downside on Project X sometimes, which occur in downprint or chart real time. MPT. Yeah. So I'm just saying, what if something happens with Project X? That's what I'm saying. All these prop firms are gonna go down. Technical issue, domino effect, blah blah blah, all that such. What's gonna happen? Because now, to me, it seems like that many of these prop firms are relying on Project X. What if something happens with them? That's what I'm trying to ask here. Same with trader weight. Okay, so I think the attention should be focusing more on Project X, because that's the key player in this. Anyway, which account do you think on TickTick? Not sure. Not sure. Maybe 150 maybe. I still have to finish my registration here. I actually is finished. Dominic sent some beautiful pictures there. Dominic, nice. Beautiful, beautiful snowy pictures. Haha, nice. Just a second. All right. Interesting. I was just checking something. What makes them great is their risk management. They're continuing to add features. Oh, I see. Project Tech has brokerage partners. Tradeify. One is regular, other not. I see. If I could lock myself out of Asia session, that would be a game changer, right? Good morning, Thomas. Shoraget. Good morning. It's nice to see everyone here every morning. And by the way, I must say, I'm super grateful for everybody. I'm going to have a Christmas present for you guys. I already know what's it going to be, so stay tuned in next month too. It's going to be a special one in December, and I think it's going to be a great idea. Trust me, it's going to be good. I'm super grateful for the community that you guys are hanging around here in London session mostly. We obviously have less viewers because more streamers are in the space in New York session. And that's the time frame where everybody trades, but still I am very, very grateful for you guys that you guys stick with me throughout the year in London session, most likely, and New York too, of course, but it means a lot. Oh my god, my thumb hurts. Yeah, this market is like, wow. I don't know what the heck is going on. We can take out actually Asia highs, I think. So relative equal highs, if you zoom in here on the 5-minute, maybe it wants to go there. I might even enter a trade. I'm not sure, to be honest, but we have a fair value gap here. At least I would like to see it swipe one of these levels sooner or later. So and we have some news events as well. Market open, London open is in about less than 8 minutes, and after that we're gonna start the show with the EU numbers. One number every 15 minutes almost. So we should see some movement. The day is okay, Sam. Welcome. I'm gonna give away the Mazda, by the way. Yeah, no, yeah. Good morning, Dario. This last move up was just a fake move. Big up, big down confusion. Yeah. Good morning, Mo. Has anyone tried Tradeify, straight to funded, and got paid? I'm in Tradeify right now, but I didn't get to the payout level yet. And as I told you guys, I am waiting for a package to arrive in a few minutes. So I might gonna have to leave you guys for a few minutes. That's how I'm shopping for Christmas. I order everything online. Yeah, I know that a lot of people get paid out from Tradeify already. And by the way, from ProfiTrade too. So ProfiTrade is also paying people every single week. They had some hiccup because they're brand new, of course, and a few days of delay with the processing. But also ProfiTrade is, because I received some questions about how payouts are going with these new prop firms, and they also pay out. They're rolling out payouts constantly. And by the way, ProfiTrade also has a way to push people to live accounts, so that's also good news. When does ProfiTrade send their payment usually? Well, that's why I've said they are behind about a few days. If you got approved last week, they should be processing it this week. So I know it's Friday. If you got approved last week, I suggest, by the way, Sam, that you can ask support, Telegram, or email too. I think they're working on the Discord as well. All I know is that the people who got paid recently were waiting for a few days, and the CEO said they're behind a few days, but payouts are going out. That's what I know. Maybe you can ask support, you know, because you were approved last week. Worst case scenario, it should be next Monday to you. Or by Tuesday, but, you know, I would ask support. Well, as I said, Sam, if you have Telegram, you can engage to the chat with them or just send them. I know that the CEO said they have a ton of email and they're upgrading their staff. But so far, payouts are rolling out constantly. I'm checking on them every day. So, yeah. Is this gonna go and take out the highs? Not sure, right? Yes, Naomi, I agree. Tradeify pays within 5 minutes, yeah. I don't know, Rebecca. They answered to me, but not straight instantly. I got answers after 1 or 2 days on email. I sent them some questions too. Do you know how long it takes to get set up a TopStep XFA account once you pay to activate? Well, it should be like it should be almost instant with TopStep. I feel you there, T-Bond. See, Scott from FTT tweeted a phone number to message to request for refunds. He really did that? Oh. 3 days is submitting request. Well, they said whenever you submit a request on a certain week, you're not going to hear from them because they start to approve. That's what they said in the chat after Friday until the next week. So if you submitted your request this week, then you might gonna wait a few days until they approve it for the next week payout. I mean, there's nothing wrong with bi-weekly payouts, but yeah, they should have an approval deadline or something. Yeah, Rebecca. Yeah, that's true. I agree. So many new platforms. That's why I said, you know, ProfiTrade is a brand new. Tradeify is brand new, by the way. Tradeify was registered in the middle of October as well. That's when they started. So like 6 weeks old. We have the London Open now. Let's see what it does. Looking to go higher. Bad reviews. Oh man, that's not good. That is not good. Finally something, right? Now, oh yeah, I know about it, Naomi. Unfortunately, I know about it. I already sent a message to Brett because it was working before, and he only replied that they're going to look into it because some affiliate codes have been disabled accidentally because they're installing a new affiliate system. And my code is not working. It was working before when I registered, and now it's not working. But I messaged him like twice now, and they said they're working on it. They also told me that until my custom code is not working, you can still click on my link if you would like to give some credit before you purchase. And you can go with, well, obviously, if you're using someone else's code, then yeah, that's obvious. But if you click on my link and you use the standard code, which is, I don't even know what's the standard code right now. The standard code right now is Turkey. So that's gonna give also some credit, but they're fixing it. That's my last information. So it is what it is. Hopefully they will do something about it. I didn't place to sign up right away with new platform. They finish. I don't know, Jay. I mean, I was also thinking about that. Maybe I'm gonna reduce the number of these prop firms that I'm trading with, because I have active accounts with Bulenox, Take Profit, Apex, ProfiTrade, MyFundedFutures, and now I have active account with Tradeify, Earn to Trade. I'm trading with all these prop firms, and it's a little bit too much. Thank you so much, Naomi. If you would like, if you would like to give credit, you click on my link before you purchase, and you can use the standard prop firm code. Just a second, my package arrived. It's just, which is okay. Anyway. I'm sorry. I'm back. We're back. But nothing happened. Oh, Hurty. And this is the second time. First FTT, now ProfiTrade. Oh. I needed help with their platform to trade. They never answer back. F it. What the hell is going on? But couldn't set up the platform. What is the issue? If you want to connect with the Quant Tower first, then there's a you have to use your email and your password if that's the issue. Bulenox, by the way, I'm just saying Bulenox doesn't have a path to funded live trading, but ProfiTrade has a live trading path. As a roller market chart wouldn't show up because it happens to me. Oh, you use them. Yeah, they have TradingView now. Hurty, if you need help to set up the platform, I don't know which platform you're trading with. It's Quant Tower or NinjaTrader. I can try to help you. It's no problem. I'm not sure if you have Discord or Telegram or something. You know, I'm happy to help you if you have an issue with the platform. I'm also trading with ProfiTrade, so trying to get those payouts as well. I just gave up. I'm sticking with the OG platforms. No more new stuff. Oh yeah. So, Hurdy, right now, do you have an active subscription or account with ProfiTrade evaluation or whatever? Or I don't know. I mean, platform or prop firms or both. What you mean there? But I can help you if you're stuck on the setup there. Where is this going? Yeah, PMI numbers. No, it's PMI. Yes, Bulenox has to do something. You didn't renew. But what didn't you renew? Because there's no monthly subscription on ProfiTrade. I might need a new ice battery now. Oh my god. Give me a second, I have to change this. Yeah, so that's why. Oh, there isn't any monthly fee. Yes, I know, but that's why I'm saying if you have any kind of active account with them and you're not able to sign in, I'm happy to connect with you and help it to set up. Bulenox has rhythmic connection, so everything that can connect through rhythmic, basically, Jay. Yeah, also best DJ in town. I hope they will do some updates because they updated the master account agreement, but there's so many small details are missing on their website. Yeah, so one thing, Herty, there is a minimum trading days, and let me just be clear. The minimum trading, you have to push the button once every 5 days, so every week. And for example, MyFundedFutures does the same thing. Bulenox has it in their contract too. ProfiTrade has it there. TopStep has the same rule, but for 30 days. And so many other prop firms having the minimum days to trade. Account activity rule. And I just heard that from other people as well, and not just from. For example, last week someone told me that MyFundedFutures canceled their account, their funded account. They closed the account because he was not trading. It was the second week and he was not pushing the button. And he just received the message that the account was breached and they closed his funded account. So MyFundedFutures did that too. Take Profit Trader also requires to be active for at least once every 5 trade business. So I would say trade at least once every 5 business days. And doesn't matter which prop firm. So I'm not defending ProfiTrade or anything because it just came up as an example with Herdy, and I feel bad for the situation, obviously, if this is why it got closed. But the same rule goes for many of these prop firms, and it sucks. So as I said, last week someone told me MyFundedFutures closed the account, and I know, somewhere else happened too. I don't know. Anyway. YouTube just recommended me a 13-year-old video where a YouTuber explaining how to earn. So BTC for just sign up for that website for 10 minis. Go up to 1 BTC. Oh man. Sorry. You should have done that, And Apex needs to update their back and like trades journal and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Go back in time. That's what we need to do. All right. Seems like breaking structure to the downside here. By the way, Herdy, if you're still here, do you have a Discord or Telegram? I might try to connect to ProfiTrade and maybe do something about this situation that they didn't reply to you. I would really like to help you. Dragon Poker, doing great. Thanks for dropping in. Good to see you. Look at this move. What is happening here? Wow. What is happening here? Interesting. It definitely broke structure, I think. Okay, so Herdy, I want to help you somehow, because it let me go into the chat, and I have to log in here. Just a second. By the way, I want to start a meme coin. Just saying. Herdy, please. Can you send me an email with your Discord name or Telegram name, whatever, you know, and we can talk there, and you know, I'll try to figure out something. No promises, but I'll try to figure out something. But I think it would be easier if we connect on Discord or Telegram. Okay, send me an email, and we'll continue there. I really want to help you out somehow. Okay, try to connect to the proper person. No, Herty had a problem with the platform and he couldn't connect, and I think his account got canceled because of inactivity or something. No, they didn't stop. They are paying out every week. I'm checking their Telegram. I was chatting with every week. I chat with their CEO, and I see people showing the payout receipts, but they're behind, of course, a few days at least, because they're doing it manually as of this point. But that's not the issue here. Herty had an issue with the platform, and I think he got canceled. I want to help him out because I feel bad about the situation. Nobody helped him from support. Most end up failing, yeah. OMG, no. No. Mitch, hey there. ProfiTrade coming out with their own token is kind of sketchy. I don't know what they're doing with token-wise. Wow, look at this. Seems like we're going up here. Yeah, my monthly revenue from YouTube is about $200. Yeah. So I make about $200 from YouTube. Obviously, it's more than nothing, but it's about $200 that I make from YouTube ad revenue. Completing yours? You mean you want to I mean, you want to create content stream or whatsoever? Upward move from batch German PMI. Buy side target 28. What? 844. Yeah, that would be the Asia high. I do like that level. I just don't know if we go there. YouTube streams for my trades also. Oh, I see. Well, it depends on how many viewers you got, you know, how many videos you upload. It depends on quite a few factors of what's your ad revenue. So, oh, look at this. Crazy reversal here. What a reversal. And gold is still up there. What's happening with gold? I do have this level at 27, 11.7. Maybe it wants to go. Who knows? But for now, we might see this. We have basically triple equal lows down there. Hey, the trading edge. What's up? Snow day. Yeah. Vindicate him. Oh, wow. Just a second. We have bullish SMT between NQ and YM. I could also switch to trading even though I'm in the middle of funding process. Oh, yeah, you can switch between platforms. Yes. That's also something good. Zach T, what up, what up? Go long? I don't know. I mean, it does look good to take a long here. You know, one of these levels, sooner or later, obviously, should be taken out. But I wonder if we can get there during the London session. Full port? No. Yeah. Yeah, right now, definitely they need to catch up with some support stuff. Oh, they did. Wow. So far, all I know is that they're trying to catch up. But the payouts are rolling out every week. So actually, I'm going to check their Telegram. Sorry, I was just reading some emails. What's up? Not able to complete a KYC form with TickTickTrader week from. They use Rise. Well, you have to do it at Rise, I think. No, I don't have a position. I can actually prove that to you guys. Accounts, no, not this one. Position, orders, I'm flat. I have no position on. I'm flat. I'm completely flat. But thank you for noticing. Thank you for noticing. I'm not trading. I'm not trading. I'm still waiting. Trying to figure out what to do. I think it might want, so it broke structure here, and now I'm just leaning towards that maybe it should go lower. This is a 1 minute gap here, also shifted down here again. A little bit tricky. Is verified by TickTick, still asking for KIC in their site. Interesting. Oh. Are you finding it easy to enter trades on the 5 minute time frame since you switched to looking at a little bit, yes, Naomi, a little bit easier to enter. Yes, I can say that. Currently, this 5 minute area here is a total mess. I was hoping for maybe a fair value gap here, but yes, honestly, it feels I feel a little bit relieved on the 5 minute, especially in London. And I'm definitely going to make a video about this because I do need to change some things in my trading, because I'm just a little bit behind with my funded accounts. I lost a lot of profits. I've blown some funded accounts in the past weeks, so something is off with my trading style, which is obviously not so good. I'm trying to fix it, obviously. So, but you know, could take some time. Yes, I think Asia high is still a good buy side liquidity for I mean, a good draw on liquidity. So hopefully those levels should be taken out. That would be the goal of these sessions, to take one of these levels out. But so far we're stuck here, and I don't have an entry here. Hey Mitch, I would really love to get your input with starting up my streams. Mitch, all I can tell you is be consistent, show up every week, if not even every day, but show up every week. Upload content on a regular basis if you're not even streaming all the time. And consistency. The key to be active on YouTube obviously is consistency. And if you build up a community and you have more people with you, obviously help as much as you can, to your community. Be nice with the people, helpful. I mean, for example, I know I'm not gonna say examples, but just consistency, be helpful, provide value. It sounds kind of boring sometimes because there are some streamers who are being watched sometimes because of the show. That could be also an option, but it depends on what kind of person you are. Do you want to provide a show? Do you want to provide some value? Are you someone who like to talk to others? Are you someone who like to help out others? So obviously, as time goes by, those people are going to stick with you who like your personality. So just be yourself. That's it. Just follow my footsteps. Yeah. Herschel, good morning. Just don't be Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wieland, he's putting on a show, obviously. And you know what, guys? We can call it guerrilla marketing or whatever you want to call it, but Patrick Wieland is gaining more and more followers because he's a showman. I think he's a good trader as well, but he's putting on a good show, right? And that's why he's having more subscribers and followers, so his channel is growing rapidly. Depends on the style as well. Depends on your style. So obviously you're going to attract those people who like your style, right? If you, for example, a hardcore Patrick Wieland fan might not gonna like my streams because I'm not yelling and effing all the time, and I don't have a Lambo in the background. So who knows, Are all his profits like on Topstep recently? I think it was real. Yes, I think it was real. Why wouldn't it be? Trader Monk, good morning. When I see a Lamborghini behind the trader, just click away. Yeah. I did have a combine, Alan, but currently I call these evaluations. I have evaluation account or test account at Take Profit Trader. I passed 2 evaluations with MyFundedFutures, so I'm funded with 2 more funders there. So I'm trading both, Yeah, he's making a ton of money from the affiliates, but at least, now he's not making a secret out of it, because there was the days like last year or whatever that when he was saying a little bit the opposite. He was saying that he's making a lot of money from trading, but then he changed a little bit on that perspective. And now he also admits that, Patrick Wieland also admits that he's making only a fraction. That's what he said. I'm literally, I don't know if you don't have to believe me. That's what he said on one of his YouTube streams. I quote him, guys, I make a fraction from trading than I make from affiliates. That's what he said. I make a fraction of the money from trading than from affiliates. So, you know, anyway. That's I mean, I don't have a problem with that. I'm just saying that never forget, you know, how this business is going. About struggling, have you tried small stops adding to winners? Any trading system distributors? Yeah, so Christian Coolmage, I never heard of that name, but I'm trying to, yeah, the problem is not the strategy. Not the strategy. The problem is with the emotions. I having some personal life stuff that I'm dealing with right now as well, and I'm going through a bit of an emotional stuff in my personal life. I'm not gonna talk about it too much here, and I think it's taking a toll on me in my trading. Sometimes I get a little bit nervous throughout the day because of some stuff that's going on in my life, and sometimes it did affected my trading. I know that. So it is what it is. I'm gonna deal with it. It's my personal thing, but it affected my trading style. Anyway, I did realize that emotions were my biggest enemy. Put your position size to 1 micro and trade this 4 weeks. Yeah, then size off. Yeah. I did that before, and you are right. That really helped me. You know, when I scaled down, you know, why does this life have to be so dang hard? No, life is not hard. Life is full of opportunities. You know, when there's a problem, I learned that. When there's a problem, I immediately start to search for the opportunity. You know, all right, here's a problem. What kind of opportunity is that going to bring? You know, and it changes the whole perspective. All I can tell you guys is in the past month or two, I'm having some issues in my life that is making me difficult to focus on trading sometimes, and it puts me into an emotional roller coaster, but I'm gonna get through with it. So yeah, it will pass. It will pass. Tom Trader, the size he takes are out of this world. Well, some traders like to go with the big size, you know. I heard about his name, but you know, some traders like to go with big sizes. Nothing wrong with that. Still looking at gold. Gold is climbing the ladder nicely, but look at NQ. What a struggle here. All is gonna be well, Mitch, don't worry. Just shout out. Okay, at the yes, exactly. 300 pounds per point. Wow, okay. He's a player then. I have that book, The Best Loser Wins. Actually, I have it, and I'm gonna dive into it. Lagarde talking capital markets and PMI numbers. Oh yeah, these are coming. So, one of the greatest books. If there's one best trading book, which would you recommend? Well, I always come up with Trading in the Zone because I was reading that like 5 times, 4 times now. But it's not just because of that book, but Mark Douglas workshops, some of them are online on YouTube, uploaded. I like the way he talks about the mentality, the approach. So the Disciplined Trader and Trading in the Zone became my Bible in trading. When I was reading that book first time in 2021, something clicked, definitely. Then something clicked. I'm not saying, oh, I became a profitable trader, but I tried to understand it differently after reading that book. Like, okay, now I know I have to shift my focus a little bit. So it definitely clicked something in my mind. So Trading in the Zone and the Disciplined Trader. Yeah, check it out. So that's an old book, quote unquote old, because Mark Douglas, so that book comes up with examples from the 80s and from the 90s, but it's not about the charts and the setups. It's about the mentality, you know, the trading. So that's why it's good. He has been to Athens, Frankfurt presentation this week. He worked in the city 15 years, so I guess financial to get going. Yeah, the mental game of trading, that's also good. I haven't read it. I started to read that, but I didn't finish. Guess Marcus didn't like what Lagarde said. Yeah, it seems like the markets are struggling a little bit here. It takes base hits 10 points on 20 accounts, copy trade. That's also a good strategy. You know, base hits. Base hits. You know, if you know you're good in something. And by the way, it sounds simple, and it actually is. If you know that you're good in a certain base hit or a certain type of base hit in trading, then you don't really have to look for anything else. You know, you just have to multiply that and practice that same thing. That's it. You don't have to be a guru to trade with 20 different concepts or anything. Oh my god, my finger. I think it's a little bit bigger than the other one now. Oh my god. I'm still icing it. Short from 820 this morning. Could be good. He moves his stop loss to break even. Extremely good. That's also a good thing. So his trade starts to go, puts it to break even, and I'm guessing. Oh, sorry. I'm guessing, and I'm not following his trades all the time, but I'm guessing he could be having a lot of break-even trades, right? So a lot of break-evens, but I guess it doesn't really affect him because sooner or later, his winners are going to outperform it. Yes, something like that. Don't trade not worth price action hovers around. Yeah, I'm not trading this one. I'm look at this, guys. This 1 minute chart is absolutely the. This is one of the worst. I don't know what the past 2 weeks. Maybe in the past 10 business days, we had like 2 normal days in London. And like 8 days were like crap. Or at least 7. I don't know what's up with this. I can also say that maybe London session is even worse than Asia session right now. I hope it will change soon. And you send me DC, let's go. Oh, bocs, hogy nem válaszoltam este, gépnél voltam, de közben beszéltem is, meg minden, nem válaszoltam az üzenetre, de láttam amúgy. I see. Nice little area here. First presentation gap. Nice. Look at this. We narrowed down completely. And we're sitting at the midnight level. Look at the daily candle. It's total indecision right now. Gun to my head, I think it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna go down. How can I send you? Well, you can send me an email. Here's my email. Just a second, I'll type it in. You can send me an email, and I'm gladly putting it out. Tamás here is on my Discord. We'll have an up and down answer. Oh yeah, we're gonna have that. Yeah, sure. Trading Edge. Absolutely. Absolutely. By the way, today is the last day for the 91% sale at Bulenox. Don't forget it if you need some cheap accounts. Herty, I don't know if you're still here or not. I didn't receive your email yet. I would really like to help you. Let me know. And we can connect. Oh, okay. I'm gonna check it. Looks like PMI all over the world. Yeah. I think everybody is just uh-huh. Yeah, I see. A lot of them. Uh-huh. Hmm. Látom, elég érdekes. Yeah, very tight. Consolidation. YBK, what's up? Yeah, this is a dead market right now. Igen, néztem. Néztem, nagyon jó level. All right, this one might go down. Okay, we're going down. We have the equity open as well. Let's see. It's Friday, therefore Thanksgiving. A lot of people are already gone for a long break. Yeah, so what about... just a second. So that's going to be on November 28th, right? So next week is Thanksgiving week. So... I don't want no rocks crying out in my place. Swedish market is going down as well at the same, but FTSE is not. You're back, no problem. Where would be best to reach out to pick your brain about setting up on YouTube? Well, you can send me an email. I typed it in. If you scroll up the chat, it's tomsabobiz@gmail.com. You know, I mean, I don't really have too many stuff going on my YouTube, so it's quite simple. Actually, the OBS that I'm using, a friend of mine helped me to set up the scenes and all that such. So if you're asking how do I do the transitions and the scenes, I have no idea. I'm a dinosaur, and one of my friends did that, and that's it. On my YouTube channel, there's nothing special. I just have the playlist for the main videos, the vlog, and the live sessions, and that's it, basically. But obviously, I'm gladly help you out if you have questions. I don't know. It looks like also like a fake move. I don't know. But at least it made the displacement with a 1 minute fair value gap here. Oops. Camille, hey there. Hey, good luck. Good luck to you too. Next, there's a lot of people use sick days. Oh yeah. I imagine. Yes. Oh, look at that. What a reaction from that fair value gap. What a reaction from that gap. Look at this. Should be breaking lower than 83. I wonder if it will. All right, back to the gap. Fake move before the news. Wow, look at that. It seems like it is a fake move. Was a fake move. Okay, no problem. What a session, right? Let me check. Yeah, sweep. A sweep-eli. De még nem szedte ki az alját itt teljesen itt. Na mindegy. Let's see what it does. Is this gonna break these equal lows, I wonder? I'm just wondering. If it's going to break. I'll sweep, okay. Yes, it's absolutely hard like this. And I would be expecting some bounce here because everybody wants to short, obviously. Small liquidity void on the 1 minute on the micro. Nothing else. Should be repricing it immediately. There you go. Yeah. Do you drink red wine? Sometimes I drink red wine. Yes, La Rebecca. Do you drink red wine? I'm curious because it always interests me what the ladies like more, red or white. I mean, I like the white too, but I do drink red wine sometimes, yes. Kuko, good morning. DAX is sideways, FTSE is going up. Wow. Yeah, it's a total mess right now. Rosé is good too. I would drink a rosé on a hot summer night, maybe, while trading. Well, it helps you to make the better decisions, right? I guess helps in the process, or at least it should. Oh man, this hurts so much. I gotta take a painkiller, maybe. Yeah, obviously the price action is not clear. Yeah, women like champagne. So what about that? There you go. It just broke. And going down. Triple equal lows. We talked about this. Asia low, 758. That's the target. Not in a trade. But, you know. Let me check. Oh, with the pitchforks, okay. Questions, you know. Oh, all right, thank you. Wow. Thank you for the mail. Thank you, Trading Edge. I like it. Wow. Okay. Cool. Thank you. I'm gonna check the docs as well. Like a beer and sauna. Yeah. Come on, Asia low. Asia low has to be taken out now. It just has to be taken out. Yeah. This shit is crazy here. Should take out the 58, right? In my opinion. At least that's what I think. That would be the... Well, let's see. There's a low here. Yeah, Asia low should be down there. But it can also just go up and reprice some levels here. Super easy. Yeah. We inverted first presentation gap. Yeah. SMT push lower. Pick a stop buy. Trade back to weave up. Yeah. But first, I mean, the Asia lows, you know, it's still there. What about the Asia lows? What about the Asia lows? What are we gonna do about it? There could be a bounce here as well. Just saying. So I don't know. Did it finish the move or not? Not sure. Upsin, oh man, that's a killer. Your break even. Yeah, that's good. Break even is good. But I think it can bounce very fast here and then maybe try to go down once more. So just be careful. I'm also watching this level. We have the 15-minute candle closing in 20 seconds along with the 5. Let's see. Good morning, Zoltan. Good morning. You're only short? Let's go. All right, new candles are coming in. Let's see. Watch out for the bounce. Struggling here. No bounce yet. Maybe now. Maybe now. I wouldn't be surprised if this one would just go back up there, you know? Wouldn't be surprised at all. Okay, still going up, it seems like. Got into a 5-minute fair value gap here, picking up some orders maybe, who knows. Akram, hey there. I usually see that follows in line with lower brand. Oh yeah, that could happen too. Persze, beszéltünk utána. Reason being in that is that we have algos. Yeah. The algos, those are the ones that are doing this to us. But still, interesting price action. It was close to take out the Asia low, but it didn't. This was a really good trade and quite predictable with the 4C news. 810 to 763. My God, that's good. That is awesome. Wow. Nice, NPM. Congratulations. Especially in this session. Wow. What's it gonna do? I wonder. $30 micros. That's cool, man. NPM was shorting from 810. Igen, az lesz. Tamás is saying that December is gonna be crap. I think I agree with that. December could be, yeah. Could be an absolute mess. Look at this, how it's unable to take the lows there. How long have I been trading NQ? Well, since last year, September. Yeah. Coolest one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Köszönöm szépen, de tényleg nem kell. How long have you been? Gotta have something to take that. Yeah. Yeah, but this is so crappy action here. Let me see. What was the low here? 58.75, I think. Anyway. Didn't even touch the 60s yet. Yeah, I don't think they want to flush it yet. It's just not happening, you know. You can easily go up and reprice some higher levels. Csinálok funded accountokat én is, saját lóvét, daytrade-ek, eladtam egy házat. Eladtál egy házat? No. Look at this. Wow, what a flush. Okay. Oh. Wow. They flushed this. Oh man, it hurts. Down to the center line. Oh yeah. Yeah. Trading edge. Right as you showed. Quite interesting. What if this one is not even going to reverse? It's just going to go lower. We still have some levels down at the 700-ish area. Who knows, right? Oops. Look at this. Wow. Keeps on going. It just keeps on going. Down to the 700. Yeah, there's one sell side here. Yeah, just below 700. And I didn't even have a an entry. I guess I could have taken, well, if I would have taken here, maybe. Crazy drop, yeah. Like a child. No, he sent me an email. A very good target. So this is what actually Trading Edge sent me, and here's the center line. This is what he's referring to. That's why I said on the chart. So he sent me this. First trade of the day and the winner. Nice. I'm not sure if it's trend line. It's kind of a channel. Refers to this drop here, but looks okay on the based on the 15-minute. So yeah. 688. Based on his chart, it could go down below the 600s, but I think 697 is a good sell side liquidity level. If I go to the 5-minute, then I would say we have fair value gaps right below 689, 688. Yeah, I agree. Wet milled, it could be a good one. It's calculated reaction taken from physics. Oh, 80% chance that price is reaching the center line. Then that means that we should be breaking through the 700 super quick. What do you think? I mean, you know, if it gets through the 700, there's a liquidity down at 97. I'm just not sure if it wants to take it or not. Maybe it wants to, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe here comes the bounce. No. It's just going. Well, 80% is a good chance, you know. Obviously, it depends on the risk ratio. Sits at lower median line parallel and 500 tick chart. Bounce possible. Yeah, I'm expecting some sort of a bounce from here. Since 3 decades. Nice. Well, I always say to anybody, if you guys are using any kind of indicator or mechanical system that you lined up with and it makes you profits, that's all that matters, you know. Looks like a possible bounce here. Nice little bullish move here, trading higher. So whatever makes profits, you know, that's all that matters. It could be an indicator, it could be an 8-ball, whatever you use. If it makes you money, that is all. Oh man. Ratmild is an intuition trader. That's also good. If you trust your intuition and your feelings, that's also good. These we don't deserve my time. 90 should be firm support. Yeah, I'm expecting some kind of a bounce. Should be some kind of a bounce. I know the tick chart. Yeah, I know the tick chart. Sometimes I used it. Not too much, but sometimes I used it. Oh, you sent me? All right, let me check. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Wow. This looks interesting. Wow. Okay, you know. That looks cool. Kind of cool. Yeah, 500 ticks. So now major player is gonna take over and prep the next. Yeah, so the news is done. That's good news. That's a failed account. Ineligible for funding. Which one? Oh. This one. I'm sorry. It says the balance is at 152. Oh, ineligible. Oh yeah, right here. It says ineligible. Oh. RK scalper ineligible. Why is it says that ineligible? Because it hit the daily loss limit or what? What does it mean? I never knew because I never used it. He failed it. Okay, so he can still practice trade on this one, but it's not gonna be a funded account. Okay. I see. To a practice account. Okay, that I didn't know because I never used TOMSABO. Never used it. No, Trader to be. This was the Trading Edge. He sent over a chart. No, I think he was meaning this one, but this is not. This is the Trading Edge sent me this chart. I send you to my chart. You guys get some gain from that. You guys can send me charts. I like that. Let me. Oh, least estimator has a chart. Oh, this chart. Okay, thank you. Finally, somebody has a good chart. Let me show you. And actually, I'm happy that you sent this. This is how actually a trading chart would always look like. So let me show you guys. Least estimator, thank you. This is what I was looking for. So this actually helps a lot. So yeah, So this is exactly the kind of charts that I'm looking for, because it tells you a lot about price action, and the key levels are on the chart. So yeah, thank you. You can see it now, right? And key levels are also here, and you know, obviously all those different scenarios you can just, you know, forecast, you know, as price moves. Anyway, this is a good one. This is a good chart. Thank you. Never miss a level. Always get a confirmation. Yeah. How could you not make money with that chart? Yeah, exactly. That's a brain destroyer. Yeah, it was a good one. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And thank you for being honest and sharing how you trade. Finally. Oh, and by the way, you forgot the RSI here. I'm sorry. No RSI, man. That's not good. No. Least estimator sent me. RSI is for noobs, right? Who cares about RSI? That's for babies. Oh man. But that was a good one. I like that. Just a second. I'll be right back. I have to check something real quick. Bounce coming, I hope. One more push down. I feel that too. I think they can do this. Do one more push. And look at that. We have a 15-minute fair value gap just down there at 688. I think it's not over yet. 688 is what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? $88.50. Who knows? It might be a bounce. Might be a bounce. Venom trade, let me check. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Adding to the position here and here. Jesus. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Real banger. Inversion gap from there. Beautifully holding price, by the way. Yeah. Going down. Oh, just a second. All right. Marshall MMA, hello. That was someone from our Discord. Does this mean that a certain somebody can now trade in peace? How do you mean in peace? I guess. Okay, looks like we have a bounce here. Officially. Official bounce. Oops. Another quick phone call. Back to 750, then dump. 760. Yeah, I can imagine the 760 Asia low levels. I can imagine that. What's the new mail with the new fork for the bounce? Sorry, I was just checking my finger because it's starting to hurt again too much. I might gonna have to go to the doctor with it because it's hurting more and more. Short more. All right, let's see. You sold too early. Fiddling with the brown eye too much. Yeah. No, the car's door. I shut the door accidentally on my finger, and now this is what it looks like, and it's hurting like crazy. And I'm icing it, but it's hurting more and more. Reverse time, yeah, it definitely looks like it. Yeah, Captain Obvious, thank you. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I think I have to stop shutting the door on my finger. And out. Oh, let me check the email. Let me check the email. Oh, I see. Nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful trade. Here's a trade. Looks good. Looks good. With the new target. Awesome. Oh, look at that. We're up there. This time live, yeah. Tradeimate emailed me back, said NK. Oh, it's coming back. All right. It's good that they have it back. Finally. I wonder where, I mean, if only Tradeaway lets you to trade Nikkei, then I might gonna try them. Got my winner too short there. Oh. This is the pain you feel when it comes back so much. But you know that there's high potential that it turns again. Center line, I see. Okay. Well, Giorgio, good morning. You're screaming? How high can you go? Don't scream. I hope you're not in a short. Just don't be in a short. Man, it hurts. We almost go back to the weave up after a big move. Yeah, it tends to happen. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the doctor because it's just hurting more and more. I thought that this is gonna, you know, not saying stop, but I thought that this is gonna go lower, the pain, but it's just hurting more and more. I think I'm gonna have to go to the doctor with this. Damn it. I hate when this happens. Yeah. By the way, that's true, wet milled. Especially here in my country. The doctor will see it and he will say, yeah, sure. You know, put some ice on it and take some painkillers. Good luck. That's what the doctor is gonna say. 100%. 100%. You know, that's all. Put some ice on it, take some painkillers, and go on get. That's what he's gonna say. Start rolling. Yeah, we're now rolling back to the sell side here. Yeah, something like that. Here's some ibuprofen and rice. Goodbye. That's what he's gonna say. Yeah, also, Giorgio, they're gonna send me to an x-ray, which is going to be totally unnecessary because they won't be able to do anything with that. Yeah. I know, my father was working in a factory. He had multiple injuries like this, and he was in pain for a few days, but what can you do, right? Spy Girl, welcome. Greetings. Turtle soup, something like that. Wow, look at this. What a move here. What a move. I'm okay. I'm okay. I just shut the car's door on my finger and it got totally black and it hurts like crazy. And that's it. And it's hurting more and more since the start of the session. It's okay, it's gonna be fine. But it's just hurting more than I started the session. And I'm putting some ice here on it and it still hurts. Where's the dip? You're curious. One hour churn still looks like you go to the downside more. I mean, T-Bond, I'm not doing those trades. So those trades are not always shared in the group. Tomasz is having a private group. He's doing private mentoring, and that's where I have nothing to do about it. So they are doing private mentoring, and that's where they do those trades. I'm not in that group, at least not yet. but yeah. We have a paid membership for Discord. It's $10 a month. Somewhere down in the description. But Tomasz is having a private group. You don't have to be in my Discord to join him if he wants to accept you for mentoring. I need the Didi oil, yeah. Yeah, some onion and yeah, the healing recipe in my country is a bit of a palinka, you know, palinka. That's going to heal everything. Yeah, wear gloves next time. Next time when I'm going to shut the door on my finger, I'm gonna make sure to wear a glove. But yeah. I applied some ice on it. Here's the ice battery. But it's getting worse. You know, the pain is getting more and more ridiculous now. Damn it. Compression. One great tail trade will definitely. I can manage all the pain in the world with a good trade. Yeah, Palinka. Hungary. Comfy trader. Egészségedre. Yeah, something like that. You said it right. Egészségedre. Thank you. All right, what's going on here? It can still go down, and it did. Oh, thanks for dropping in, Alan. Have a good weekend, you too as well. It hurts. Oh man, I don't like it. Yeah, sometimes he shares it, but those trades are being made in his private group, in his private mentoring. Gold is looking to go higher. Looks like it really wants to go higher. Still some liquidity below. So why you said no shorts there at 760? I said that. I didn't say that. Oh wow, look at this. It's just going. It's going. Don't be sure. I don't know. I don't remember. I didn't say that. Why are you saying that, Epics and Trophy? Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Okay. Going down to 88 now. It's gonna take out the 88. There's the 15-minute fair value gap down there. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm sitting on the sidelines. If I would have entered the trade, I would have let you guys know, but I didn't enter a trade here. Sorry for the disappointment, but I didn't enter. I was watching the 5-minute 2 on my left. And I didn't have any trade. I was just sitting through this time. Trappers at SMT. Oh, let me check. Discord. Let me check. And that is how you do it. 150 micros. What? Jesus. 150 micros. The guy is not 150 micros. Sitting in $11,000. Wow. Why would anyone trade 150 micros? That is a question I don't know how to answer, but that's how Tomasz is trading apparently right now. I guess he was adding to the position as it was dropping. But I don't know. Now it's reversing. All coups are allowed in demo. I don't know. Looks like a double leg. Fun here. All right. Or maybe 675. I see that 15-minute fair value gap at 688. And I think it should go there eventually. But and look at gold. Gold is gonna go for the 11. We'll see. My Twitter is here. TOMSABO Biz is my Twitter. See it down there. Or X. I don't even know what to call it nowadays. X. TOMSABO Biz. Oh man, this shit hurts. By the way, I'm just gonna say it, that Bulenox 91% sale is ending today. So if you want to stack up some cheap accounts, then today is the last day. Obviously, they're gonna have an 80% or 75% sale after that, but the 91% is ending today. Just saying, okay? Just saying. By the way, I'm gonna change the streams outfit. Well, I'm gonna change the banners up there for next week. I might going to get this off from the top, and I might gonna have a smaller one which is rotating, and so we'll have more space on the chart. Just some updates, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna disable that huge banner line up there, I think, and it's gonna be a slideshow with smaller banners. I'm gonna simplify it because it takes up a lot of space. I mean, or it could be just it just hurts the eye maybe, I don't know, but I'm gonna change it. Oh man. SMT, so what's it called officially? Somebody tell me, because SMT, many people are saying, mostly the ICT cult members, that SMT means smart money technique. Even ICT said it, that smart money technique. So what does SMT stands for? So smart money technique or smart money trap? Or smart money who the hell knows what? Or smart money what's its name? Or smart money whatever, I don't know. I don't know too, that's why I'm asking. So everybody's using it in a different terms. I was sad to leave Bulenox. They used to be my favorite, but they new rules. Yeah, the position sizing, I mean, I think there's a slight misunderstanding, by the way, with the position sizing. You don't always have to be with the same size. You know, they're basically looking like for somebody who is entering with 7 minis, and then the other trade he or she enters with 1 micro. You know, obviously you are able to, and you should change the position size according to your stop and your risk. They're looking for, you know, those huge orders or trades, windfall trades, you know. Well, nothing special. First of all, they have a flipping rule now. So for example, there's a 10 minimum trading days. If you make like a huge winning day, and the rest of the days you're just flipping, there's no more flipping. So but they didn't clarify it specifically. They only said in the contract that 20% of your trading days can be flipped, but the rest of the days cannot be flipped. But they didn't say what is the number, what is the exact amount. The other one is you can no longer copy trade Bulenox accounts between other prop firms, vice versa. So, and also a new change is that the average position sizing on the funded account. So if someone goes in with like the maximum on the 50K is 7 minis, you go in with 7 mini for a windfall trade, and then you continue to trade with 1 micro. So that is something they not going to allow. Something like that. Something like that. Smart money teddy bears, yes, Mitch. Also. So I don't know officially what's it called, smart money trap or technique. ICT said technique. I don't know. Man. All right. I think I'm gonna call it here. Yeah, it's discretionally. Yeah, I know. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to the doctor. I'm gonna call it here. No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor. I'm just gonna put more ice on it. So anyway, that is all. Stop my trade. Yeah. Later. Thank you so much for being here. I know it was a little bit of a slow session and I didn't take any trades, but anyway, thank you and see you guys in the New York Stock Exchange Open. Have a great evening or morning. Until then, trade safe, be safe. And if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes. The TOMSABO code works for most of these preference for the best discounts. Check it out. Bulenox last day 91%. Take ProfiTrade, no activation fee. Apex Trader 1 day pass. MyFundedFutures, check it out. And the rest of them too. ProfiTrade as well. Thank you so much. See you guys later. God bless you.